Hey Royal Boss fam, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you stop what you're doing, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell because I already know you're going to like what you hear. So today we're going to be discussing 3 major apps you need to have as a business owner. So first things first, my first favorite app is the Canva app. If you can see, this is what it looks like when you get onto the Canva app, and it literally has everything you need for content creation, email creation, and anything you need for your marketing purposes. So just a few things that they have are Instagram posts. You can create your own logo. You can create a flyer, a poster, a presentation. Anything you really need, you can use on the app Canva. Now, I know you guys have heard about this app, and we're just going to dive through it just a little bit on this side screen right here. Another app that I like to use is my Gmail app. My Gmail app is literally my lifesaver when it comes to keeping in contact with my audience. So my Gmail app literally has about, I want to say 4 or 5 business emails in there for me, and it helps me get in contact with my clients. It helps me keep in contact with my customers. Anytime that anybody sends me any sort of message, it automatically comes through as a notification to my phone. This is very useful because I'm not always thinking about logging into my email or checking things. So when things come into me, if someone's paying an invoice or asking me any sort of questions, the Gmail app automatically allows me to view it. Not only does Gmail allow you to do that, you can log into anything that you have related to Google with your Gmail app. So when I want to log into my YouTube or switch logging into my YouTube channels, I literally just go and click on whatever Gmail account that I have. If you do have a business email and it's not like the professional info@.com, I would suggest using a Gmail account just because it gives you such wide varieties to so many things. You can create a YouTube account, you can create a Mercari account, you can create almost anything you want with a Gmail account. And especially if you're going to be using things like Google Hangout, Google Classroom, Google Slides, Google Documents, anything like that, having a Gmail account already puts you into the running of just going ahead and getting started. Normally people, if you have like a Yahoo or a Hotmail, you're going to have to go and create that Gmail account just to use those tools. So by already creating that Gmail account, you've eliminated half of the process basically. Another app that I love to use is my iMovie app. That is my baby right there. I love using iMovie because it's easy for me to create content for my clients and to go in and edit my YouTube videos like this. Now, this YouTube video is shot off my camera just because I wanted to see how it would look, to see if I even liked it. And just to let y'all know, it took me about 45 minutes to get this set up. It's on top of a box, on top of a box, on top of a box, tilted sideways, laying. Okay, it's not doing all that, but it did take me a very long time to get this set up. If you do buy a camera, or if you have a camera and you know how to help me see my image from the front, because I don't have the flip screen, so I'm kind of using the mirror that's in the back of my boudoir. Fancy word, y'all know. But anyway, back to that. Yes, iMovie is literally my baby. I think it's so easy to use, especially for beginners. If you're not really graphic design, tech savvy, and you kind of want to do it yourself and you want to learn about it, or you don't want to pay somebody quite yet, iMovie literally is a step-by-step, helps you set up from importing your videos, taking your sound away, creating those sound effects, putting that background music to it, and even putting those little words and stuff at the bottom that people do. iMovie is literally easy, hands-on, and you can probably find a video on YouTube that's like 4 to 5 minutes to teach you how to use iMovie. But I love iMovie. It's great for editing videos and creating video content. If you have products that you have pictures of, or you have people wearing them, going in and creating a slideshow through iMovie is definitely a great way to create content for your business as well. Another app that I suggest for business owners, especially if you are looking to expand through email marketing, I would suggest getting a MailChimp account and downloading the app. I mean, it is kind of easy to do it on the computer, but if you're on the go like me and you're looking to send out a large email to people that you already have your content for and you don't have the time to go plug in your computer, log in, I say get the MailChimp app. MailChimp is literally the best emailing platform, at least in my opinion, because I can send out such large in fast email campaigns, and I can schedule them throughout the week so I can send out emails on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to cover all my bases and to cover all my clients and audiences that I have. So if you don't have a MailChimp account, I would suggest you getting one, and then go in and create at least 1 to 3 audiences between people who you are looking to have purchase from you, people who purchase from you occasionally, and then people who purchase from you all the time. Start out with those 3 audiences and try to see, how they react to your email campaigns. Are they logging? Are they clicking your links? Are they just opening them? Are they even opening them at all? Definitely go in and send yourself some test emails before you launch your campaign, which is also awesome that you can send it to yourself and click on the links to make sure everything is working to your liking. So if you don't have a MailChimp account, I suggest you get a MailChimp account. Now, to all my sellers out there, I'm going to give you 2 bonus apps that you can use to sell your products to create and reach those revenue goals every month. If you don't have the app Mercari, I would suggest getting the app Mercari, and I would suggest getting the app Let Go. Both of these apps are able for you to list your product as a business owner. So whether you want to sell your product at the wholesale price or you want to sell it at the retail price, both of these apps allow you to not only list your items, but you're able to ship them as well. So it's not like Facebook Marketplace where you feel like you have to be in close proximity with the people. You're able to still, sell nationally. Now, I'm not sure if you're able to sell globally. I haven't really tried. The sales that I made have been, North Carolina, Arkansas, Arizona, things that are still in the United States. So if you do want to look and, see if you can sell globally, I definitely would try that on one of those 2 apps. If not, I would just list my products on there. I mean, there's nothing wrong with creating a presence on another platform that's not necessarily a social media outlet, because Mercari and Let Go are used simply for selling. People are literally on there to sell items or to buy items. So if you sell bracelets, lip gloss, shirts, shoes, pants, whatever it is that your business is, if that's a product, I would put it on both of those apps. I have both of those apps. I make sales off of both of those apps, not only from people who are close to me, but people that I have to ship items to. So Mercari and Let Go. If you do not have both of those apps, I suggest both by the end of this video, or even pause this video right now so you can go download them from the App Store and put them on your phone, create your account, and get started with selling. All right, guys, so this is another video. I just think I'm doing pretty well. What is this, 4 videos? Like, I've done a video a week for the last 4 to 5 weeks, and I just proud of myself.